What is this nonsense homosexual talk? Who's penetrating gays?
No.
No. Listen to me. Bachchattar Singh Duggal may come to terms with his son selling rat poison, but he's not going to allow all this loose talk in the house.
That is not what he has
You
said.
please stop defending him all the time. Papa ji, where have I gone wrong here? My own son prefers to work for somebody else. And see, he's speaking in a way that no Duggal will ever think of speaking. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing my old age sinking without support. It feels like I'm the Titanic and he's the bloody iceberg.
Dad, you're on some tangent, huh?
I'm on tangent.
Yeah, and stop going on about my choices, okay? The point is, I want to make a difference with my creativity. I want to reach out to the people through what I do.
What better way of reaching out to them than doing what I'm doing? Putter, Kartar transport goes everywhere. From Ambala to Ernakulam. You'll be delivering food to people who really need it. That's reaching out to them. Not selling them thermal underwear in summertime.
You know what, Dad? I don't think I'm getting through to you.
To hell with you.
I'm late. Bye, Mom.
Son, I packed 3 parathas for you. Take them along.
No, let it be. Feed them to Nilufa Auntie's grandchildren.
Duggal, here you are.
Yes. This is my desk. This is where I usually am.
Dude, we are screwed. Think of something to save our asses.
Why? What's the matter, Bala?
You know that nanny.com presentation that we have to make?
Yeah.
That is tomorrow.
What? What we do next week?
That is exactly what my parents said when I was born. But shit happens. What are we going to do, Duggal? I can't think of ideas at a drop of a hat. I mean, I'm spontaneous if you give me 2-3 days to think. But like this, and Daswani wanted to discuss this with you, but you were late.
Yeah, by 3 minutes, yeah?
Exactly, dude. He's pissed.
Okay, you know what? We'll figure something out. You need to calm down.
It is easy for you to be calm. If it's success, you still have your family business to go to. Where will I go? You'll be bloody CEO or something of a transport company. I'll be just an unemployed tabra.
Okay, Bala, shut up. Let's fix this, okay? We need to be clear about the plan of action before KD comes.
Give me line. 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 Give me line.
I like to move it. Move it. I like to.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move. Is that the best you can come up with, Bala? I like to move it, move it.
Sir, I mean, I really don't know the context for the line that I have to give to you. I just said the first thing that came to my mind. I'm sorry.
No, don't be sorry. I'm sorry, it's my fault.
It's okay, sir.
The biggest presentation of the month has been preponed by a week. We have 12 hours to come up with a campaign, Tambi. 12 hours. Yeah, but when I'm asking you for a line, it's obviously not for nanny.com. No, I could be asking a line for anything. I need a line to flirt with your sister at the bloody UDP tonight.
But I don't have...
Shut up! Joggy. Joggy. Why were you late today?
Sir, I was on I'm sorry, sir. It won't happen again.
No, I want an apology in writing. Mail me. Now.
Right away, sir.
Good. Protocol ready. That is how an organization moves forward. What?
Protocol.
But hey,